Honey, today I will make a chicken doro with Ethiopia cultural food. First, I'm doing the onion, diced onion. So I have to cook it with diced. Okay, we have to cook until get brown. So. Okay, now the water almost done, but I want to wait until it looks very brown. Make sure it have to be all the onions very smooth and you get the sauces very tasty. The second step I need, the onion have to be look like this. Brown before I put any oil or berbere. They call it berbere, chili pepper. That's berbere, we use it special to make it from home. So I want this to be like this to make the best darawat. Not too much water. See, all the water gone, it get cooked very well. Now I'm gonna put oil. Yeah, it looks good. The vegetable oil. I have stairs very good. Vegetable layer like this. That looks like very nice, thicker and brown. Next, I'm gonna show you to put the berbere. I'm gonna put a berbere. So do as you wish, you know. If you like a lot of berbere, put a lot of berbere. This is a homemade one. This is homemade berbere. You can get it from Ethiopia grocery. They call it berbere. So do this. And you can add it as you wish. You know, make it very, if you like hot. But no tomato or no tomato, any tomato related. You don't put nothing in here. So, unless if you don't like spicy at all, you can put tomato paste. But I don't use any tomato. So if you cook it very, very well, it's not that crazy spicy. But today I'm making it because it's holiday. I make it with a big dish. So I have ready another one. Show you this one. Because it's a holiday, we have family come over. So I have to, this is it. This is the sauce I use. I'm gonna use today. So this is the sauce. You cook it very, very well. And I'm gonna show you to add butter. Ethiopia butter. So I made it myself. Well, you can check my YouTube channel. There is how to make butter. So, hello, Hanet again. I'm cooking a chicken Ethiopia doro. First, you have to break this the edge and the bottom side and make sure take off all the fat and wash it very well. I wash it a lot, but I have to show you. I'm gonna wash it a little more. better. It doesn't smell any chicken. That's why we wash it very, very good. So now make sure the water's like this, very clear. No dirty on it. More very clear. Okay, now I put lemon. I like to put around 2 lemons. And I put a little bit vinegar to make it vinegar. Any kind of vinegar, it's okay, no problem. And I'm gonna put salt. Salt. So at least you have to soak it at least for 30 minutes, maybe more. So I put a lot of salt and I'm gonna wash it after the salt's done. So yeah, so I'm gonna soak it for at least for 30 minutes. And I'll show you next what to do. Okay. Maybe over 1 hour. So I'm gonna clean it again. A lot of cleaning. All good. This. They wash it like that back home. You don't have to do that. It takes practice to wash it, the chicken like this. But that's why they wash it like that. More hot. Make sure not hot water. You don't want to break the chicken. So make it like warm water. It doesn't get too cold for you. Again, it's like pure water. A lot of washing. A lot of washing. Okay, now I have to squeeze in and put in a dish, because I don't want too much water in my sauce. I'm almost done. This whatever left over from here. So those chicken is very soft. If you have organic chicken, you don't have to cook separate. You can put in a sauce. But here they get break very easy. So I have to cook the chicken along without the sauce. So I'm gonna show you that. Okay, yeah. I'll show you when I put it in the stove. Done for now, this one. Done. All you need to do is you just put chicken or beef, whatever you like. You can use the sauce. I cook it up to here, and I put in the refrigerator, in the freeze, the extra sauce. This is the sauce only for the chicken. So I put this, I cook it up to here, all this onion, 50-pound onion, I cook it. So this kind sauce, I save it for next time because it takes a long time to cook. So, and butter, homemade butter. This is Ethiopia butter. This unsalted butter. So we put a special spicy in there. But there is in my YouTube channel, you can check how to make the butter. So I'm putting the butter. The reason I make very thick because I'm gonna cook the chicken separate. So I'm gonna use the sauce from the chicken. That's why I make it this one very, very thick. And you cook it with charcoal, the best taste. That's why I cook it with charcoal. This is like Ethiopia style cooking. They use the charcoal. This one, and I'm boiling my egg beside that. This is good because it don't break. The meat, it doesn't break. Okay. Okay, now it's almost done, the chicken. So it's cooked. And I'm gonna add to the sauce. Now it's cooking ready. And the sauce. So I'm gonna use all the juice. Sauce. So yeah, I'm gonna use all the sauce in there. Little bit, just like a little bit of get togethers. Okay, my doro what is complete. So now I'm gonna put in a dish. So here's the chicken sauce. If it's too much oily, you can, take it out the oil. But I didn't put too much oil anyway. So here's my doro. The chicken is perfect. It didn't get breaked. The chicken didn't get breaked. You can add a little bit sauce to make it nice. You don't have to eat all the grease, you can dump it. With the egg, I'm just gonna put 2 eggs because it's. So I soak a little bit the eggs. It's good to soak it. It tastes better. Okay, well next time I'll see you from another program. Thank you for watching. I hope you're gonna like it. Subscribe if you can.